If you want to learn how to make a countdown timer in CapCut on PC, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll show you a super simple way to add a countdown effect to your project, whether you're making an intro, a challenge video, a reel, or any kind of content that needs a timer on screen. This is a quick and easy CapCut editing trick that can make your videos look more professional and engaging. If this video helps you, please hit the like button and subscribe for more easy CapCut tutorials just like this. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open CapCut PC and load the project you want to edit. If you already have a video started, just open it from your recent projects or create a new one. Once you're inside the project, make sure your video is added to the timeline. This is important because the countdown effect needs to be placed on top of your footage so it appears in the right spot. Now that your clip is on the timeline, look at the top menu inside CapCut. You'll want to click on Effects. This is where CapCut keeps a lot of the visual effects you can add to your videos. After clicking Effects, use the search bar and type Countdown. CapCut should then show you a list of countdown-style effects that you can use in your edit. Take a moment to browse the available options. Some countdown effects may look bold and dramatic, while others may be more simple and clean. Choose the one that fits the style of your video best. If you're making a gaming intro, a challenge video, or a cinematic opening, you may want a stronger animated countdown. If you want something more minimal, pick a cleaner version instead. Once you've found the countdown effect you like, just click it and drag it down to the timeline. Drop it exactly where you want the countdown to begin. This step matters because the placement on the timeline controls when the effect appears in your video. You can always adjust it afterward if you want the countdown to start earlier or later. After you place the effect on the timeline, preview your video to make sure the countdown looks good. If it needs to be longer or shorter, you can usually adjust the effect clip length in the timeline. That way, you can match the countdown to the pacing of your content. If you're using it as an intro timer, make sure it lines up with the moment you want your scene or main content to start. And that's really all there is to it. You've now added a countdown timer in CapCut using the effects panel, and you didn't need any complicated editing skills to do it. This is one of the easiest ways to make your videos feel more polished and attention-grabbing. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to give this video a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss the next CapCut editing tip. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.